Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6058. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 06 2020. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, 1 dent and 1 scrape. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Rear alloy factory tray. Single cab. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,